Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestions. First of all, open the settings, then find and select additional settings and click on keyboard and input method. And now select current keyboard. As you can see, it is Gboard, so all we have to do now is to go to manage keyboards and click on Gboard. Here you will notice emoji, stickers and GIFs. Click to open, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice suggestions while typing. So unless it is active, just use the switcher to activate emoji suggestion. You can also activate emoji stickers if you wish. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.